Hello. You ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, okay. Oh, welcome to the channel.
Welcome guys to our channel. Is it
Yeah.
our channel?
Yeah, it's our channel. It never was mine. Anyway, we thought we'd do a little video today. Grace is going to give you a tour.
Yeah, in our chicken coop.
Yeah.
And we're gonna show you the pig that we're gonna cook this coming June 24
Yeah,
in
then
our
we'll
festa. You want some pig on your birthday?
Oh, that is coming up. I forgot about that.
Yeah. When?
What, yesterday? When is it? I don't remember.
It's coming.
Remember, I got dementia.
You're just 59 years old, right?
Okay, that's good.
Dirty on your... So this coming June 22, you'll be
That's right.
18-year-old.
I think that's pretty close.
So my husband is getting younger every day. So you'll be turning 69
My God.
or 59.
Let's not talk about it.
Yeah. So we're gonna show you guys the chicken coop. It's been a long time that we were not been there. We're not doing some video there, and we're gonna show you the pig that we were going to kill to cook.
You want to murder it.
We're gonna murder the pig, guys.
Yeah.
So that pig, my sister owns that, my youngest sister, the one who lives in Cebu. Then I'm gonna buy it. You're gonna buy it, right? I have no money, so you're gonna buy it.
I don't have any money. What you talking about?
So I'm gonna borrow your money.
I don't have any money. You remember? No, he married a poor guy.
You want some roasted pig on your birthday?
Yeah. I guess I will.
Lechon baboy.
Reaching bad boy.
We called it lechon baboy here in the Philippines, the roasted pig. So most of the people here in the Philippines, if you have having some fiesta, birthdays, they normally do a lechon baboy. They cook some lechon baboy or buy it. And here, we're gonna try to buy a lechon baboy or roasted pig this coming fiesta. So some of our friends will be visiting here.
Yeah.
And we invite them to come here.
Before you guys not know what leeching is, that's actually roasted pig
Yeah, it's a roasted pig.
over open flame or charcoal
Yeah.
or wood. Depends on what they want to do.
Yeah. So it's very delicious, and they marinated it inside with lemongrass.
Grass.
Lemongrass, some onions, green onions, garlic, white onions.
Put weeds in
You're funny. We have a lot of weeds here, so we're gonna put it. So no need to buy it in the market, right?
Yeah,
so we have some lemongrass. We plant a lot of lemongrass here.
And the good thing about it, one of our family members will oversee this, and they won't be over salting it. That's one of the biggest issues I have. I don't like my meat real salty.
Yeah, last time it's delicious, right? Because we bought it in Valle Hermoso.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to buy one there. Because if most of the time when they cook it here, that we only buy one pig, right?
I guess.
Yeah, then they cook it here. My uncle, we're gonna cook it, and we're gonna try to get some roasted pig where we normally buy.
Okay.
We normally where we normally bought that last time.
Okay.
Same place.
So what happened? I tie your tongue up?
You're funny. I just got what's that?
Tongue tied.
Tongue tied.
Yeah. What do you think about that, guys? She got tongue tied.
I'm just been busy today. Been buying some plates there in San Carlos, new plates, because some of our plates it's not really looks good because we've been using it a lot.
Yeah, they got
And-
some miles on them.
Wow.
Yeah, Grace
Yeah.
used them for frisbees.
So we bought no.
No?
I keep it in the cabinet, but it still looks good, but we need to buy more. Bad. You're bad. I not do that, right? Maybe
Mm.
you.
Now, when she gets mad at me, she goes, whoosh.
No.
Now I have to go, whoop.
Only pillow. Because pillow, you can't break it.
Hmm.
So,
Anyway, I want to let Grace take the camera and do her thing. Because some places it's not appropriate for me because I don't want to fall down.
yeah, you need to be more careful about your back. And
Guys, if you ever have a back injury and when you get older, it can be a problem.
yeah.
You have to be extra cautious. So,
So I'm gonna tour you guys.
you want to
Sure.
switch the camera around?
So,
You
huh?
have to stop it and flip the camera around and start it
When
again?
I arrive there,
Okay.
I just this
wanna
one
talk-
only, right?
Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I'm
Turning
gonna,
my mic off.
yeah, cause maybe you
I'm silent.
silent. So I'm gonna walk down there. I'm gonna show you where. Yeah, love you. Where we put that piggery. It's not really far from our house. So let's go, guys. So my sister is washing clothes. Yeah. That's my sister, Dominga, my beautiful sister. So this one over here, we have another 2 rooms. And it's already finished, and we really appreciate my brother-in-law for helping us to be finished, and it's really nice now inside here. I'm gonna show you guys. Very nice. So my mama is eating dinner. My mama is eating dinner, guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Yapon.
Hi Lee. Tanaro ba si Lee ani? Hello Lee. So it's so nice here. This is their kitchen, and they are very comfortable here. And this is the second bedroom here. This is my sister's bedroom, and this is my mama here, mama's bedroom. And I'm gonna walk down there to the piggery. Hi. So they gonna always follow with me there. The cat. That's John Boy there. And this one is Midnight. And the other one is Sophie there. There you are. So my husband's there. Tsaka kuan. You want to walk there? It's not really, ha? Di man siya kakuan. So I'm gonna walk down there. I'm gonna switch over the camera. So I'm gonna walk down there to the piggery and just switch over the camera so that you can see the background. So that's our house there. So that's my husband's down there. he's been looking at me. So I'm gonna walk down to the piggery. So this is where we put, guys, the piggery. I'm gonna show you guys the pig. I'm gonna see, this is what I'm talking, that my husband not able to be coming here because of the way it's very slippery and you need to walk downhill here. Oh, you need to be careful. Oh, look at look at the pig, guys. That's where that rubber there. That's where they're gonna put the foods, and look at what he did with that. It's really funny. Hey guys! Oh my God, it's really getting bigger now. Look at that. This is my sister's pig here. These two, and this is my mama here. The two pigs. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. How big it is. Oh my God! Look at that. I don't know how many kilo. Maybe 80 kilo for each of them. 80 kilo. So look at this one here. This is more smaller than the other side. Look at that. Hi. So look at that, guys. Very big and fat. So we're gonna kill one of this one. We're gonna cook one of this one. It's coming fiesta, and the other one, my mama, we're gonna sell it per kilo here in our neighborhood. And these two of them, maybe it's not ready yet. So need to wait maybe about 2 months before they're gonna sell it. And you can do a roasted pig on this one, but I don't know how many hours it cook, maybe 3 hours to cook. If you do a roasted pig, if you cook it. Look at that, guys, how, and they are very healthy too. So let's go to the chicken coop. So it's been long time that not been visiting here in that piggery, and they looks very healthy. 4 of them are very healthy. So this is the lemongrass that I told you. They're gonna use this to cook in the roasted pig, and we also use this to cook our soup, like chicken soup or vegetable soup. This is what we're putting to our soup to make it more delicious. So let's go to the coop. Kinsa to, ma? Nangita na ko. Someone is looking for me. So let's go to the coop. Oh, we have a papaya here. Papaya fruit. It's not bear some fruit yet, but this is going to cash in naman si Pete. Ina lang na si Pete dito dong. Ina lang pinag-video man ko. Someone is asking with me. Le paliw na kog hatag niya, day. I was going to show you guys this plant here. This one, we call it Mayana plant. This herbal plant, it can cure. If you have some fever, you're gonna use it to cure your fever. And you're gonna smash the leaf and you're gonna pour it to your head. And mostly Filipino use this as a medicine, especially if you cannot afford to buy some medication. They're gonna use this herbal plant. We call it Mayana. And so that's the house of my auntie there, the sister of my grandma. She be here this coming fiesta also, and some of my uncles and cousins, they be coming here. Oh, look at that. My grandma's mango is there. Oh, It's bearing some fruit now. So lots of mango. So lots of mango there, guys. Look at that. And it's not ready yet because it's still small. See how nice it is. There's a lot. There's more in here. More. And there's more at the top of the tree. So maybe it will be ready after 1 month or 2 months. My grandma will gonna sell it. So that's my grandma's house over there. And let's go to the coop, guys. We have a lots of kalamungay here outside in our coop. That's kalamungay tree. This is good for vegetable soup and for the chicken soup. Look at that, how tall it is, guys. From here down there. It's very tall. Look at that. It's a lot. And also our chickens loves kalamungay, malunggay. And there's a lot of benefits. You know, if you're eating malunggay, there's a lot of benefits on your health, in your body. You can drink also the juice of malunggay. So let's go to the coop. Hi! Look at the guys. Look at our baby, guys. Look at that. Hello there. So we already feed them this afternoon. Hi there. Look at. Oh. So we're gonna have also a blessings on our chicken coop this coming June 24. And we already told the priest. So he be coming here to have a blessings here in our chicken coop. Supposedly last year, but it postponed or because of miscommunication. So this time, hopefully it will be, because we've been looking forward on it. So look at that, guys. You're getting bigger and bigger and more fatter. Look at that. My husband likes this one. That's his favorite. And also this one. Nice color. Hi. You miss mama, guys? Did you miss mama? So I'm glad that we don't have a lot of chicken that is been sick now. They are been healthy. They're not getting sick now. I'm so thankful that they're not getting sick, because it's really hard for us. Been losing a lot of chickens. So this time, hopefully that they're okay, and we're still excited of what happens next. So this is our new coop here. We build a new coop. So we not put any chickens now because inside, because we're not incubating now some eggs. So we turn them loose and exercised. We let them exercise, and maybe by next month we're gonna start again incubating. So we're gonna put some of our hen and roaster here on this side and that side there. So this time we're not gonna put a lots of hens in one pen, because we have a lots of eggs that is not fertile in our incubator. So we're gonna put only small hen and roaster on this pen here, and on this side and to the other side. We're gonna check if we have a lots of fertile eggs in our next batch. So that's what we're planning. We only put some small hen and roaster in one pen, so that they be fertile. Because we have a lot of eggs now in the incubator that is not fertile because we've been putting too much hens in one pen and only one rooster in one pen. So maybe next time we're gonna put 2 rooster and maybe 5 hens in one pen. So let's check the babies here in the pullet pen. So lots of ants on my feet. Oh, look at that, they've been following with me. I'm afraid to get some foods in the container because my mama told me that the brother of my friend Bashon has been feeding them here and the chicken is attacking with him. And look at that, how big they are. So I need to be more careful because their feet is very sharp. Look at that, guys. And we also give them some spinach. As you can see there in the ground, there's a lot of green veggies there in the ground. That's a spinach there. I'm gonna check if there's an egg on here. We've been collecting a lot of eggs lately. I think my friend already brought inside. So let's check the babies here. Oh, they're getting bigger, guys, as you can see. Look at this is. Oh, look at that. They're getting bigger. They need to be turned loose. And look at that. Our babies here is getting more bigger. Hi there. Look at that, guys. Hi there. Wow. So we're so lucky that they're not been sick. We're not been losing a lot of chickens now, so we are so happy. And also we have some babies here also that we separate. Oh, a lot of them are black astrolorp here. Hi guys, Mama's here. Mama is here. Look at them, how cute they are. So the one in the pullet pen, we need to turn them loose because they are big now, and this one over here need to stay here in the other pen. Look at that. Wow. Look at our babies, guys. Wow. Hi, Mama is here. Hi guys. Hi guys. Look at them. They're so pretty. Oh, we have a lot of black astrolorp here too. And looks like we have a selkie there. One over there too. The white selkie. I'm so glad that they are all okay. They're still waiting for the treats. Sorry guys, we already give you all treats. Oh, the spinach is trying to bite me. Look, this one. Oh, that's our black astrolorp selkie there. They've been knocking that door. The small chick has been knocking that door there. So cute. Look at that. So that's the update of our chickens. Oh. I think they miss their daddy. We have also a kalamunggay tree here, and also a jackfruit on that side there. Looks like it's getting bigger, and also there's no fruits yet here. And that's our grapefruit there. Oh, we have a lot of grapefruit there at the top. Lots of them. I think it's ready to eat. We're gonna get, maybe tomorrow we're gonna get some of it. Oh, at the top, it's a lot. Looks like it's ripe already. Hey there. Here's Hi! It's trying to climb here in the tripod. Ay, no. This is not a roost. Some of them are very aggressive. And look at our hands. We have a lot of hands now. Thank you, Lord. Oh, they are so funny, guys. They're enjoying eating that spinach over there. And they've been digging some hole here. They've been enjoying playing this soil here. There's a lot of spinach in the other side. Anyway, they're waiting for me to give them some foods. Tagay gud palihog og kuan pa, tuktokon dito kari ba kay manguan daw. I let my father get some foods for them because I'm scared. Look at them, guys. Look at them. They've been following my father. Look at that. They're so funny. They're after that foods there in that container. Hey! That's what I'm scared of, getting foods there in that container because they be attacking me. Look at them. Gamay ra kay busog na sila. Kuan na ng basyon. She told to my father only small because looks like they are very full because they've been eating spinach also, and also we already feed them this afternoon. Look at them. So cute. Yeah, they are very cute, guys. Look at that. Looks like we have a golden buff on here. Look at that. There's a golden buff there. So I'm gonna go back there to the house because Virgil will be here soon from school. And look at that. Oh, this coconut here has been dying because of the hot weather. Oh, there's no leaf. So let's go back to our house. Oh, we really have lots of kalamunggay tree. So this one, we turn them loose outside because some of them, they have some cold. And we have also some of the chicks here. This pen here. Oh, Virgil is here. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How's your day, Virgil?
Klase ka ba?
May klase ugma? Ano man? Ano man? Ha? Naay?
Echo on.
Natuon. Saan gapi ah?
Chapter konti kami rin mag-over kayo.
Okay, gikan sa diri kuan naman to, alas 4. So I'm gonna show you guys this wood here. We bought this one from my relative. So this is what we're gonna use to cook the foods this coming fiesta. We have a lot of woods there. We're gonna use it to cook our foods. Instead of using the propane, we're gonna save lots of money of using this one because this is more cheaper than the using the propane to cook. So let's go inside. I'm gonna show you guys first the creek before I go inside. So we have a lot of water now in our creek because it's been flooding here lately. Look at the water. There's a lot of water this time because it's been flooding here lately. It's been raining hard, so the water is much bigger. We have papaya there, papaya tree.
Don't be plastic.
Daddy. So let's go inside. They are very funny there. They're waiting for me to feed them. And I'm not getting any foods for them because my mama told me that they've been attacking the brother of Daibashun. They've been climbing in the shoulder, in the head, when he was feeding them there. And my mama said, you need to be careful. You're not supposed to be closer to the container where the food is because they be attack you. And it scared me because I'm not wearing any jacket on my hair, but in my
You need your jacket next time you go out there.
yeah, because that's what because their feet is very sharp. That's what I'm scared.
Yeah.
Remember that they step on you and make a big wound on your feet.
Yeah.
That's what I'm scared.
Remember,
But-
I used to walk around set in the morning and get on my shoulder and my leg.
Yeah, they're very funny, and our chickens are getting bigger in the pullet pen. Yeah,
They need to be turned loose.
yeah. So okay.
Yeah, very okay.
Yeah, look at who's sleeping. Look at this, guys. Oh, how cute you are there. That's Bert, guys.
Yeah.
It's been so comfortable. Huh?
You got a mustache.
Look at, guys, some mustache. Get some mustache there. How cute you are, Bert. It's very comfortable there. It's been sleeping. So I think that's all for today, guys. I just want to do an update again of what's happening here on our next video.
What's happening?
Yeah, on your birthday.
What birthday? You got a birthday? I thought you just had one.
Yeah, I have already. So I think that's all for today, guys. Say, thank
Okay,
you.
guys. She wants it. Her arms are getting tired. Her little bitty arms are getting tired.
No, I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
No, I've been doing some workout, so no need to be tired. Because I'm not been able to do workout today because been busy.
Oh.
So I need to do exercise, more afternoon exercise.
Afternoon exercise.
And we really appreciate all of you for watching our videos and for supporting our YouTube channel.
Guys, you know how much we appreciate everybody that does follow our channel.
Yeah, we really do appreciate and for all the nice comments. So, see you on our next video, guys. So, God bless us all.